If you do not have this in your supplement cabinet, you are seriously missing out. First of all, you get 2 of these. So it's like 2 for the price of 1. But what you're also getting is elderberry, vitamin C, zinc, vitamin D3, and quercetin, which is a plant protein. This is my immune support. This is what I take every single day. Did you just hear my stomach? Oh my God. So that I do not get the sniffles or anything else. But why I'm obsessed is because it's third party tested, gluten, dairy, and soy free. Why can't I speak today? I think I need more coffee. Anyway, it's from Santos Nutrition. I love this brand. They look like this. They're like a deep purple. And you better believe you need to take these before you travel throughout your trip and when you come home. You will never get the sniffles or anything else.